Audio Jungle.
Network cable. Our networking hardware used to connect one network device to other network devices or to connect two or more computers to share printers, scanner, etc. Ethernet cable is a very popular type of network cable which is used for wired network, a network type which connect devices to the internet or other network using cables. They are used to connect devices located in local area networks such as routers, PC, and switches.
Hi everyone, we are here now to demonstrate how to create local area network or Ethernet cable. Before that, we would like to introduce ourselves. First, my name is Jocelyn Kim Tanay.
I'm Princess May Sapanay.
I'm Charlotte G. Gonzalez.
Sunshine Ramos Gonzalez. The materials and tools needed in creating LAN or Ethernet cable.
RG45 used for UTP cable to connect computers in a network.
Crimping tools to design to crimp RJ45 or connect a connector to the end of a cable.
UTP cable is a type of copper cabling that is commonly used in Ethernet network.
LAN tester. It is a device used for testing network cable.
Step 1. Strip the cable jacket about 1 inch down from the end. Step 2. Spread the 4 pairs of twisted wire apart. For Cat 5E, you can use the pull string to strip the jacket farther down if you need to. Then cut the pull string. Step 3. Pinch the wires between your fingers and straighten them out as shown. The color order is important to do this correctly. Straight through color alignment. Side A, orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white, brown. Same with the side B. Step 4. Cut the wires as straight as possible about 0.5 inch above the end of the jacket. Step 5. Push the wires into the connector. Each wire fits into slot in the RJ45. Step 7. Repeat steps 1 to 6 for the other end of the cable. Step 8. To make sure you've successfully terminated each end of the cable, use a cable tester to test each pin. We are now making crossover Ethernet cable. On making crossover Ethernet cable on the first side or the end of the cable, we do the step 1 to 6 like straight through Ethernet cable. For a crossover Ethernet cable, the other end will have different color order. Crossover color alignment. Side A, orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white, brown. Side B, white green, green, white orange, blue, blue white, orange, white brown, brown. make sure you've successfully terminated each end of the cable, use cable tester to test each pen. Now we're done. We have the straight through and crossover Ethernet cable.